Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. You not look my face. I'm tired and this news one I want to break come out so. My beautiful people, another news don't come out again. Yes, you know this channel day about news. Anything when we see, we will blast them. So that may the remaining of us when we see they exist or when we never form victim, may we use them get sense and may we use them learn. Who says spirit not they they exist? Who says spirit who don't die not fight for himself? Who say who don't die don't rest? Listen to this video. This video is for you. Let's go to the video. There is this person. He's from Abia State, Umahia. You know, that is East Nigeria State, Umahia. Now this thing for happen. So there is this person. They live for abroad. Then he decided to travel back to Abia State. That is Umahia. As he decided to travel from abroad to Nigeria, let me just detail Nigeria, but where the things for happen now from Abia State, Umahia, and there the thing for happen for Imo place, Igbo side, you know, East Nigeria. This guy, they stay for abroad, then he can't travel to Nigeria, he can't go in village, then he can't stay there. As he can't stay there, his stepmother can't cook for her. And his stepmother cook for her. His stepmother can't poison the food when he cook for her. And his stepmother, as he say, he poison the food when he cook for her. The guy not die. The stepmother, boyfriend, and the stepmother, they start to the chuk the guy. Then the guy come payment. And the guy come payment now. Now here I say me una listing those who say there is no spirit who don't die, don't die. Who tell you? Who tell you? Who tell you? Oh, the my camera they prove a lot. People still they argue. You know, this guy as they don't buy him, they can't go bury him. And they bury him. Finish. Now the guy start to they appear to a friend. They say with this one of this friend, like person when they close or person when you trust. He can't they appear to her and say stepmother poison and stepmother don't kill her. His stepmother poison and say he go just appear to the guy, you know. And as they appear to the guy, he goes to appear to another of his friend. His stepmother don't kill him. His stepmother poison him. His stepmother kill him. You know, can't they appear to all his friends they go. Now they say some of his friends they can't start to they communicate. They can't come. They can't go the stepmother house. Where is this our friend? The stepmother say they not see a video there, but because of YouTube, I will make sure say small video to tell you. Me believe say na true life story. You know. Now they will speak Igbo. You, my sister, when you be from East, you will understand this video. Where one boy for explain, I will put on. I go to the story first. Now they come meet his stepmother. They come tell her and say, where is this guy where is this your stepson? He say he never see him for 2 days. I'll be how many days when he say he never see him. Now they say, you never see him. I say, oh, the guy appeared to them. Say, now lie. Not in a film for they watch all those things. This one a life story. It just they happen today. So now somebody send that for me and he explained that to me. Me and not hear Igbo, you know. Now the guy appeared to a friend say, no, maybe go see where they bury him. They don't poison him. Now they start to beat the woman. Say, where you put our friend? Where you put our friend? They start to beat her and they start to beat her. Now they say whether now the spirit consistent. They say where they put him or now the woman can carry him. The woman and the boyfriend can't carry the youth, go where they bury the boy put. The video there, whether they dig the guy nakedness, the guy, you know, body part don't swell up, but he never burst. My people, I used to there say there is no spirit. So who don't die, don't die. If you buy person, I no be dead. And God no sign and put. He go fight you with the last strength. God go add the blessing. Because what God say he wants to do, you just shut it. Which kind jealous or be heaviness? Your own stepson. You see why many children, all those stepchildren, because they are more than mine. He pass charcoal, you know, back of pot. As our Africa back of pot, I even get one like that. As it take black, some of our women, now so their mind take black. They are picking, nothing they happen to them. They are mama wickedness. If your stepson better, stepson will even collect food for your hand and eat for a belly, he trusts you. He trusts you. That kind of stepson, you know, say if he better, Europe hard, abroad hard. You go over bad now, this guy is struggle. I want to go see my father's land. You go back before even if he pay ticket. He's struggle. May he go see his papa land. I'm not sure say this guy, he get mama. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure say he don't still get father. If father don't die, then this is stepmother now. He can't dey papa house now. Maybe it is he want to go follow and drag property. Or maybe don't they jealous son right from the beginning, you want to buy him. You just buy your stepson, not be your son. Children don't know what man or woman do. Now born, they born the children. They just born the children for the family. Children don't know what they do. If na mama wrong you, not be the pikin wrong you. Why you taking somebody life when you know say you don't fit give person? Why? Person when they abroad, they even travel all the way from abroad, come village, come collect something for your hand. If they struggle, you not fit still die with the poison. Una start to the dagger with your boyfriend. My people, now this my ace people, they vex. They naked down, they naked the woman, but I not fit put the video. But if you want, I can send that to you in private. You know, they naked the man and the woman. They dig the guy dead body come outside. They dig the guy dead body come outside. If you they watch this my video and you get bad mind towards your neighbor, please change. Bad mind not they pay. Wicked thing not they pay. Now good to see the pain pass. If somebody payment you with your goods, in fact, your reward is in heaven. But if you payment somebody because of heaviness and jealousy, in fact, you will receive the punishment for this earth in the heaven also. Whether you go say heaven, you will receive her. If anybody offends you or you they see somebody, if they pay you, you don't want to see that person, stay away from that person. For you to poison that person, just stay away. Let the person be. Let the person be. Not take life when you not forgive. And that might say don't do that. Just be man. You just take you woman for that matter. What do you think? Say you and this your boyfriend now fit gang up kill human being. What do you feel say no fit kill you? Or the man when they say, what do you think? Say this woman not fit kill you as if he kill his stepson. What do you think? I beg if you dare there, my people, when we remain, maybe they use our things. Look where. Know who love you, know who not like you. I know some people go smile. You say they love you, but inside them is deep. That position when you did, that thing when you do, that they heavy, that they jealous you, or that position when you're picking day, that they heavy run, that they find. I beg, kawa. Yes, stay on your own. If this guy they abroad now, or even go Nigeria, I know they blame people when they stay hotel. I know they blame people when you go give them something. They go tell you say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I trust my stepmother. He can't kill me. My stepmother. Even poison and that one. Enough he died. The guy not died. They struggle. Maybe the stronger I want to come and I and the boyfriend dig with died. Now understand because of YouTube I restrict some word when I talk. My people, I sympathize with the guy. If he get wife, if he quick and marry, if he quick and born, I feel pity for his children, for his wife when he leave. I don't believe say this guy get wife. He get mother. I don't believe say this guy get mother. I feel pain. I feel sorry. May he so rest in peace. He fights. Or that might say he die, not come back again, but he fights. He degrades them. They naked the woman and the man. Now I need to see the video. They naked them. They naked them. Who die better packs them. Those kind of human beings, their head not ever correct. They naked them. He fights. He said, no, papa, no, mama, we'll go there to fight for. Maybe no one get brother. Now only one they just born. One head, God. Maybe now only one they just born. He said, no, I will fight. He fights. He fights. If you think say spirit no they exist, I believe with this story, you go know say spirit they exist. Not to say you just take somebody life. Life when you not forgive, if you take and go haunt you all the day of your life. Don't ever take somebody's life because you can't give life. My people, now so I see him. The thing touch me. As I they talk and the thing touch me. Watch the video, it touch me. Now it can be like story. They tell you a story, or the video still there. I go list some video where I know say it no affect my channel, so that maybe I get some. Maybe when they dig, maybe I know show the boy because the boy man they outside. I know show him well. You know, just show some parts. Get one part when one of our brother for talk to the long past like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You know, I go see how we fit a manager. I beg, don't ever take someone's life. And this one I get to talk. Wait till I get to talk, my people. Is it good to take someone's life, or it's not good to take someone's life? Now drop on our own opinion. Stepmother takes his stepson life, maybe because of property or because of heavy or jealous. I'll see you in my next video. If today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please subscribe. My name is Naija Daughter TV. Returnees, all my returning, God will bless you all. I really appreciate all my returning. God will bless you all. Okay, without you now, Naija Daughter TV. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, please subscribe.
Ụmụ Igbo ụtụtụ ọma na ka na-apụ ije o wee vidio mfụ kịta ihe a mere n'Ụmụahịa steeti ebe nwaanyị ndị a na-akpọ Stepmother nwa ya si obodo oyibo bata nwaanyị a eyi ya nshi ihe poison ka o rie nwoke ma ri poison a mana ọnwụlọ nwaanyị wee chegide wee na-asị ọ gịnị mere na nwoke aka anwụbe onye poison anwụbe n'ala Igbo ị na-ediri ikiri vidio hey nwaanyị a wee sị since na onye a chọrọ ịnwụ n'oge aka gbu ya unu ama na nwaanyị a bịa were mma sugbuo nwoke anụ a si obodo ebo bata onye poison na anwụ ụlọ onye were na ya the video m ga-emechikwa ya mana the video dị njọ mana ka ga-emekwa ụmụnwa ga-afịa ndị n'aka afụ bịa ajọ nwaanyị kali nwa na-abụrụ nwa gị si obodo ebo bata ị ga-asị ya nnọọ ọ bụrụ shi na aja ka iji wee kọmọ.
Since